This 5-axis bridge cutting machine, equipped with intelligent control system, combined with CNC microcomputer control, realize easy drawing without using CAD, standard camera function, free typesetting, reduce manual drawing, improve plate utilization, table tilting, allow workers to load and unload materials easily. We upgrade the original equipment, add functions such as automatic knife measuring, side plate, pneumatic roller, automatic backup and sucker plate moving, a variety of cutting modes to process a variety of plates, such as rock plate, quartz stone, marble, luxury stone, etc. Completely follow the preset instructions. Perform cutting, grinding, throwing, drilling, milling and other actions. Realize fast and accurate processing. Effectively save your processing time. Reduce your production costs. If you need, welcome to the factory for inspection and test run. Reduce your production costs. If you need,